and the autos. Bringing cars back to life.
Right, back on the channel, and first of all we're going to show you a car we did about 2021. So the first video you'll see is when the car was being welded. The second video is actually it's all welded, it's ready now to be refitted up. Yeah, it took approximately 3 years. We'll have a quick interview with Steve, he lets us. So as you can see, the floor's completely done. She's all been ground up, cleaned up, seamed up. We've done it to full factory spec. Like I said, we've even put the new grommets in. Everything, where we've welded, sills. We'll just go around the back here. As you can see, we've even put the vent holes back in. You know, people say we don't do a proper job, but as you can see, look, shell's ready to be refitted up now, so wiring loom will be going in first. As you can see there, she's still got dated wings on and that. You can get it on the hard to get there, but we have got the Ford logo still in there. I can get it. Somewhere around there. There it is. These are genuine Ford wings. I'll put back on. But we go to the extreme with these cars. Look inside, underneath. We did a factory finish on it. She's absolutely brand new. All the holes are put in ready for the kit. So that's to be wax oiled now. So we're at the garage here now. So what we're going to do now is just get this car on to the customer now so he can refit it all himself. That's the process he wants. And we'll just show you the car going on the truck. At the moment it's in the garage. I'll quickly show you where it is. So there it is in the garage. It is ready to go on. It's on a little steel jig we've made for it so it can be rolled about. It'll be put in his garage. He's just sent his loom off to be redone and other bits. So we're going to get it to his house now and let him refit it up himself. So as you can see, these bars here, what we've got to cut off, they're actually we've left them too long to go on the recovery truck. So what we're going to have to do is cut them here, just so we can get the wheels on. So I'll let you have a look at that while we do it. So safety first, put your mask on. What you do, that's nearly off now. All we've got to do is go around the back here and just slice this last piece. So like I said, safety first, always. that's that section off. A tiny bit left on. So that's what we've got to do. So now we've cut all the metal off, what we're going to do now, we're going to actually blow all the little iron fibres off. I'll just quickly spin round and show you what I'm on about. So as you can see, these little bits of dust here and that, they will go rusty. See them? They're everywhere. So what we need to do is blow the car off now, make sure none of this will go rusty, because once it's left here, that's it. But as you can see, there's little bits of rust everywhere. So there she is, she's got it back home now, and that's where it's going, in that little garage there, to be rebuilt. Right, good morning, we're down at Steve's this morning, we're just going to be putting this sunroof in, so we'll quickly show you what we're going to be doing. We're on the Escort again. Better if you turn the camera on, innit? Hey. Better if you turn it on. So what we've got here, we've got all new rubbers on it. New relays in, wiring limbs going in. Steve's just taping up there so we don't scratch it. As you can see there, new reconditioned, I would say. Would you say?
What's that?
Wiper motor.
Yeah, recon.
But new as.
Good as new, mate. Better implants.
Better, genuine aerial. Header tank like new. So there you go. Get the sunroof in. But Steve's going to pass it up. I'm going to slot her in. Watch yourself, man. You going from where's?
Yeah, I'm going to take over.
To you, to me, go on. Yeah?
Yeah. Now, I know it's going to be tight, John.
I'm sure you'll be doing it this way.
Yeah. 100% mate. That's how you do it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's happened there then?
Don't worry about it.
Watch that.
That's one. Right.
Not far off.
It still needs more cutting off, you know, John. I think it still needs more cutting off the back. I think. Took an inch off it.
You can push it, you ready? Push.
1 sec.
1, 2. Tight that, Steve.
Yep.
Wants a bit more off.
That's done it.
Scratched it here, I think. Right, hasn't it?
Definitely not going in that, is it?
That's about a mil off, doesn't it? Back out.
It's going to have to, I think.
Come on, man.
One sec, mate.
Don't want to damage it, do you?
No.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I knew it was tight.
Ready? 1. Ready? 1. And again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, push the glass here. Here. Push, put your finger under here. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No.
Can we pull that?
Don't pull the rubber because you'll pull the rubber off.
Pull that there then, underneath here, Steve. 1, 2, 3. That's it.
Can you take it?
Yep, got it. Rubber's bulged a bit. So what we've got to do is cut a little bit more off this, because this is a Mark IV sunroof rail, so it's slightly too long. So now we're going to try and shut the sunroof. We've got it in. This is the big moment, isn't it, Steve?
You can see.
Oh, she's moving. Oh, she's going, lad.
Oh, we need the bolts and all, don't we?
We need them in.
Yeah. Yeah, we need that bolts in.
Right, let's stop then. So there you go, Steve's put your backlights in, which is, you can only make your mind up about them, which I would say are orange indicators, but Steve's going for the clear. These are brand new. Are these spurious ones?
Copies, aren't they?
Copies. So there you go, all the rubbers are on. Catches. Every bolt on this car is brand new. Everything. If it's not brand new, it's refurbed. So we're just going through it there. As you can see, we've got the sunroof in. She's slightly high there, but we'll sort that. But you can see there, every single screw there should be anodised. Not. But everything's in. New relay there. New rubbers. There you go. All new steering. Everything what you see has been refurbed to the maximum. These wings are absolutely perfect. They're brand new, genuine forwards. But yeah, this is how they come on, slowly. Look, even new speedo cable gone in. Door looms are in. There you go, she's going back together. So a quick summary. Yeah, back on it this week again. So what we're going to do this next is we're going to do all the suspension, take it all apart, refurb that, refit that, get that on, and see how we go from there. But yeah, we're just going to motor on with these cars now. We've got another two of these to do, and no, we've got another one of these to do, haven't we? Mine, Stay. We've only got one more of these to do, and a cab, haven't we?
Yours, yeah.
Yeah, we've got one of these to do and a cab. So I've got one of these. Mine, pretty good things. But I'm going to redo the wings. I've got some new wings for it, so I'm going to put. Well, I'm not going to go out of my way like Steve has and put genuines on, because can't be bothered. I'm not spending a fortune on wings. The car's the car. And also what we're going to do is we're going to keep up with the Golf RS Escort. I'm going to try and get that in paint this year. 100% I think that will be in paint this year. There's not much to do on that, to be honest with you. But like I said, I do need, where Steve's done underneath his car, I will do mine eggshell blue in the middle. Steve probably won't do his, but that's Steve. Everything's brand new, even down to the sunroof rubber, because the rubber was, I'll show you the old rubber now. So this is the old rubber. As you can see, it's hard, brittle. Look at it. It's really stiff. Really poor. But, you know, it's hard to find. But there you go. We'll get it sorted. Speak to you all soon. So please do like, subscribe. Let's keep this channel running. We'll keep the cars doing, and we'll keep coming down here doing bits with Steve. Generally what we do, me and Steve's job for job, innit, Steve? Yeah. So I'll do all his mechanical, he does my body work, and that's how we do it. We always work like that. No good parting with money, because I only have to give it him back. Right, checking out, see you soon.